Are you tired of your car's audio system sounding like a tin can in a windstorm? Let's face it, a great car stereo can transform your daily commute from a mundane slog to an exhilarating concert on wheels. Whether you're belting out power ballads, vibing to the newest hits, or cranking up the classics, the right car stereo can make all the difference. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best car stereos that promise to bring your tunes to life, boost your drive, and maybe even make traffic jams a little more bearable. Buckle up. Great sound is just ahead. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpick.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. JVC KW-M56BT, our pick for best budget car stereo. Are you on the lookout for a car stereo that packs a punch in value without skimping on the good stuff? Say hello to the JVC KW-M56BT, your new best road trip companion. This slick doubled-in stereo isn't just a pretty face. It's got a customizable 6.8-inch capacitive touchscreen that makes navigating your tunes as easy as swiping left on that date you just aren't feeling. With gesture control, a simple swipe adjusts the volume or changes tracks. No more fumbling while trying not to spill your coffee. Now, let's talk about the sweet side of life, your smartphone. With seamless compatibility for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you'll connect faster than you can say road trip. Enjoy hands-free calling and get directions while grooving to your favorite playlist. Worried about sound quality? Fear not. The built-in amplifier and equalizer deliver a whopping 50 watts of power per channel, ensuring your music has the depth it deserves. Plus, with a backup camera input and support for steering wheel controls, you're looking at convenience and safety all wrapped into one. When it comes to enhancing your driving experience without denting your wallet, the JVC KW-M56BT is your go-to solution. Ready to elevate your ride? Let's hit the road. Number 4. Alpine Halo11 XF511, our pick for best touchscreen car stereo. Get ready to revolutionize your ride with the Alpine Halo11 X511, the car audio system that takes your musical journey from meh to wow. Picture this: an impressive 11-inch floating touchscreen that not only looks stunning but adjusts to your every whim. Height, depth, angle, you've got it. Enjoy crystal clear visuals with a sharp resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels, so navigating your playlists feels more like a joyride than a chore. Designed to slide seamlessly into most single DIN openings, this bad boy fits right in without sacrificing style. And if you're a smartphone addict, you'll love how the ILX511 plays nice with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Plus, built-in Bluetooth means you can take those hands-free calls and stream your favorite tunes without losing your groove. For the audiophiles out there, rejoice! The ILX511 is decked out with Sirius XM readiness, HD radio, and a smorgasbord of inputs for cameras and USB gadgets. Oh, and did we mention the HDMI for those external media players? Take charge of your sound with a 13-band parametric equalizer and customizable filters that let you sculpt your audio to perfection. The Alpine Halo11 ILX511 isn't just a car stereo. It's your ticket to the ultimate driving soundtrack. Buckle up, your ears are in for a treat. Still searching for the perfect car stereo? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Pioneer DMH-WC5700NEX, our pick for best car stereo for Apple CarPlay. Are you tired of fumbling with clunky buttons while trying to find your favorite playlist on the road? Say hello to the Pioneer DMH-WC5700NEX, your new car stereo soulmate. This sleek modular system boasts a dazzling 6.8-inch capacitive touchscreen, designed to fit into practically any dash like it was meant to be there. With its tablet-like interface and user-friendly icons, navigating your music while driving feels more like a joyride than a chore. But wait, there's more. If you're an Apple enthusiast, the exceptional Apple CarPlay will have you safely accessing your phone, tunes, and texts in a snap. Android users, don't fret. You're covered too, thanks to Android Auto and good old Alexa. Your smartphone just found its new BFF. Connection options, you've got it all. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, HDMI, 2 camera inputs, and a rear AUX input. Because who doesn't want flexibility on the go? And let's not forget the audio experience. With built-in 50-watt 4 amplifiers and a 13-band graphic equalizer, your driving soundtrack will never again sound like a muffled mess. Whether you're grooving to your favorite hits or catching the latest podcast, the Pioneer DMH-WC5700NEX makes every drive a vibe. Ready to elevate your car audio game and turn your commutes into epic adventures? Let's hit the road! Number 2. Alpine IL-XW650. Our pick for best car stereo for easy installation. Are you on the hunt for a car stereo that's as user-friendly as it is feature-packed? Say hello to your new road companion, the Alpine IL-XW650. This double-din dynamo boasts a vibrant 7-inch capacitive touchscreen that makes controlling your audio and entertainment feel like a breeze on a sunny day. Whether you're Team Android or iPhone, this beauty plays nice with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, keeping you seamlessly connected while you cruise. Built-in Bluetooth? Check. 2 camera inputs? You bet. USB connectivity? Absolutely. It's like having a tech-savvy co-pilot right in your dashboard. Plus, the external microphone means you won't have to shout over your favorite tunes to take a call. Talk about hands-free convenience. Now let's talk sound quality. With 50-watt 4 power and a built-in amplifier, your playlists will sound so good, you might just forget you're on the road. And if you're short on space, fret not. The IL-XW650 has a shallow mount design that fits snugly in even the tightest dashboards. With Alpine's IL-XW650, you're not just enhancing your audio experience, you're upgrading your entire driving vibe. Affordable, convenient, and oh so stylish, this head unit is all set to become your new best friend on the road. Ready to take the plunge? Your ears will thank you. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, Pioneer DMH-WT7600NEX, our pick for best car stereo overall. Are you ready to turn your car into a concert on wheels? Meet the Pioneer DMH-WT7600NEX, your ultimate upgrade for an exceptional in-car audio experience. Picture this. You're cruising down the road, your favorite tunes pumping, thanks to seamless compatibility with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wirelessly, no less. Say goodbye to tangled cables and hello to blissful, hands-free joy. But let's talk about more than just connectivity. This multimedia marvel brings you a smorgasbord of entertainment options. You can jam to SiriusXM, vibe with HD radio, or stream Spotify while making hands-free calls like the multitasking legend you are. Talk about driving and thriving. And let's not forget sound quality. To truly crank up that auditory bliss, the 13-band graphic equalizer and built-in digital signal processor let you sculpt the perfect soundscape. Plus, that eye-catching 9-inch LED touchscreen? It's not just for show, it floats for optimal visibility and easy access while you keep your eyes on the road. With inputs for backup cameras and a USB port, along with a detachable faceplate for added security, the DMH-WT7600NEX is a treasure trove of features. Sure, it's on the pricier side, but when the journey can be a rocking good time, isn't it worth every penny? Elevate your drives and let the good times roll. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best car stereos. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which car stereo you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.